Yes, Jai Hind and hello everyone. Welcome back to Crack Grade B. This is Sunil, and today we shall discuss some of the vocabulary part, and we are going to start antonyms, right? So we shall discuss some of the antonyms in today's session, and after that we shall also discuss some of the phrasal verb, and we shall move to the some of the remaining concepts of noun, right? So are audio and video clear? Just make it sure our audio and video clear, and kindly share this session with all your friends and relatives and invite them all, right? We have classes of English at 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. So be here at 5 p.m. and keep sharing this session, keep subscribing if you have not subscribed yet. So let's move to the antonyms when you talk about opposite words when you say. So first slide is before you, and the word is his opinion is lopsided. Yes, you have a word, underlined word, and word is lopsided. What could be the meaning of lopsided? Okay, make it sure this word lopsided is adjective in nature, right? This word is adjective in nature, and the meaning of lopsided is what? Lopsided means something that is with one side, something that is with one side. Now okay, huh? Word lopsided means with one side smaller or lower than the other one, that is called lopsided. Or you can say lopsided means something that is partial means something that is incomplete. Something that is incomplete is called what? Partial, right? Crooked, something that is bent or curved. Something that is bent or curved, that is called what? Crooked. Unequal means not equal, right? Unequal means something that is not equal. And balanced, something that is proper, just or proper, something that is just or proper, right? Or equal, that is called what? Balanced, right? So you have to tell the opposite of lopsided. Lopsided means something that is incomplete, something that is bent or curved, something that is not equal. Make sure all these three words are the synonym of lopsided, but we are talking about opposite. So opposite of lopsided will be option D, balanced. Balanced will be the right answer. Are you getting my point? Word lopsided, the opposite of lopsided is what? Balance. Something that is just, something that is proper, or something that is equal. India won by lopsided score of 17-2, right? Not equal means lopsided. Okay, let's move to the next word. His work is praiseworthy. His work is praiseworthy. This word praiseworthy, if you talk about this word praiseworthy, is also an adjective, right? And praiseworthy, you can say something that deserving praise, right? Something that deserving praise. Or you can say something that is admirable, or something that is commendable, right? Something that is commendable, or something that is creditable, right? This is the meaning of praiseworthy. Something that can be praised, you can say something that can be praised, or you can say something that is deserving praise, admirable, or commendable, right? Okay, you have to tell the opposite of this word praiseworthy. Admirable is the opposite of praiseworthy, sorry, similar of praiseworthy. Admirable is what? Synonym of, but we have to tell the opposite word. So condemnable, option B is the right answer. Condemnable means something that deserve, something that deserving, something that deserving severe rebuke, severe rebuke, or scold. That is what? That is condemnable. So opposite of praiseworthy is condemnable. Commendable is the synonym of praiseworthy. Commendable is the synonym, or creditable is also synonym of praiseworthy. So option B is the right answer. Condemnable, right? His actions during the crisis were truly praiseworthy, right? Praiseworthy, something that can be praised. Okay, next word is what? His deeds had retrograde results. Word retrograde. Okay, retrograde means you can say something that is backward, something that is backward, or you can say retrograde is the opposite of progressive. So you can say retrograde means something that is regressive, right? Retrograde means something that is regressive, or you can say backward, or you can say for the worse, for the worse, right? That is retrograde. Okay, so opposite of retrograde is what? Progressive. Option A is the right answer. And these three words, negative or retreating or reverse, these are the synonym of retrograde, right? These are the synonyms. These three words have similar meaning. You have to tell the opposite of retrograde, and that is progressive, because retrograde means something that is backward or regressive or for the worse, right? So option A is the right answer. The proposal is miserably retrograde. Retrograde step, we usually speak like retrograde step, right? A step which you take, which takes you backward, right? A step which takes you backward, that is called retrograde step. Or a step that takes you for the worse, that takes you for the worse, or a step that is regressive, that is called retrograde. Okay, next slide is what? He always offers palatable solutions. Yes. Okay, word palatable is adjective in nature. Initially, this word is adjective in nature. And word palatable means something that is acceptable. Something that is acceptable, or something that is pleasant, or something that is agreeable. Something that is agreeable, acceptable, or pleasant means that is you can say something that is progressive, or something that helps, that is palatable. Interesting, you can say something that is interesting, you can say that is palatable, right? So opposite of palatable, acceptable, agreeable, and pleasant, both are synonyms. This one, pleasant, is also the synonym, and the opposite of palatable will be unacceptable. Something that is not acceptable, that is palatable, right? So option C is the right answer. The meal was palatable, not acceptable, or not pleasant or unpleasant, you can say, right? Let's move to the next question. His views on the subject are microscopic. Word microscopic is an adjective in nature, and microscopic means something that is tiny, or something that is small, right? Something that is minute is called what? Tiny. Tiny, small, or minute, that is microscopic. Or something that which can be seen with the help of microscope, that is also called microscopic. I said something that can be seen with the help of microscopic. Or you can say something that is tiny, something that is small, something that is, you can say, minute, that is microscopic. Okay, the opposite of this word is broad base. Broad base, something that is large, or you can say huge, or something that is great in size, great in size. That is what? Broad based. So minute is the opposite. Precise and fine. Fine means also small, something that is small, or you can say minute, that is what? That is fine, right? So opposite of this word is option A, broad based, right? Opposite word of microscopic is option A, broad based. Let's move to the next word. He is always obdurate in his behavior towards other people. Okay, word obdurate is adjective in nature, and the meaning of obdurate is someone who is stubborn, someone who is stubborn, someone who is obstinate, or someone who is adamant, you can say adamant. That is called what? That is obdurate, right? Or you can say someone who is not flexible, someone who is not flexible, someone who is obstinate, stubborn, die-hearted, adamant, right? So opposite of obdurate is what? Option A, flexible. And make it sure, word callous. Callous means someone who is cruel or unkind. Cruel, unkind, or you can say unpleasant. Unpleasant, that person is what? Callous, right? So word callous is the synonym of obdurate, because one who is obdurate, that person is stubborn, obstinate, adamant, that person is unpleasant, unkind, or cruel, that person is. Insensible is also what? Insensible is also cruel, unkind, or stubborn. Or obnoxious. Obnoxious means also what? Stubborn, obstinate, adamant, right? So opposite of obdurate is what? Flexible. So I argued this point with him, but he was obdurate. Obdurate means he was unpleasant, or stubborn, or unpleasant, you can say, right? So option D is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Let's move to the next slide. Mohan always had profound respect for Sohan. Yes, profound. You have word profound. Okay, you know, profound word, this word is also adjective in nature, and word profound means very great. Very great, you can say. Or profound means something that is intense, or you can say something that is huge, that is also profound. Very great, intense, huge, right? Large in quantity, you can say. Large in amount, you can say. Or large in quantity, you can say. So what is the opposite of profound? Deep, that is also profound, synonym. This one is extreme, is also synonym of profound, right? Sincere is also synonym of profound, you can say. So superficial is something that is external, something that is external, something that is on the surface, something that is not in deep, something that is not in deep, or something that is not intense, something that is not very great, not huge, that is what? Superficial. So option D is the right opposite word of profound, right? Option D, superficial, is the opposite of profound. Profound means something that is very great in size, or you can say something that is intense or huge in size, right? But word superficial, something that is external, or something that is on the surface, something that is not in deep, right? So option D is the right answer. Okay, let's move to the next question. We were living in the turbulent times. We were living in the turbulent times. Yes. Yes, turbulent means something that is disturbing. Disturbing, you can say. Or something that is tempestuous. Something that is tempestuous, you can say, or disturbing, you can say, right? Or you can say something that is stormy, something that is stormy, or destructive, or unstable, right? Something that is not stable, that is called turbulent, right? Turbulent means something that is not stable, unstable, you can say, stormy, or disturbing, or tempestuous, right? So opposite of this word is destructive, is the synonym of turbulent. Destructive is the synonym of turbulent. Unstable is also synonym. Word calm, option C is the right answer, because opposite of turbulent, turbulent means disturbing, tempestuous, stormy, or unstable. But calm, that is relaxed, you can say. Something that is stable, something that is relaxed, that is calm, right? Not moving, you can say. And stormy is the synonym, so option C is the right answer. This has been a turbulent week for the administration. It means this had been unstable week for administration, you can say. This week, this has been a turbulent, or you can say unstable week for the administration, the writer is saying. Okay, so let's move to the next word, and the next word is dogmatic. Amit is a dogmatic person. So word dogmatic means what? You know, when you can call someone dogmatic, when a person has beliefs like कि the person is right and everyone else is wrong, means you can suppose कि whenever you have some ideas regarding any specific point, right? You have your own views and you are thinking the views which you have is accurate, and all the persons who have different views or different opinion on that particular issue, they have their wrong views, means you are always right, right? You can say dogmatic someone, that person is, you can say, egoist, you can say, or someone who is egotist, you can say. Egoist person can also be called dogmatic, right? Believe that dogmatic, one who has believed that you are right and others are wrong, that person is dogmatic. Or you can say one who is egoist. Egoist is also dogmatic, you can say, right? So what can be the right answer of this word? Yes, what is the synonym of this word? Who will tell me what is the synonym of this word? Yes. Okay, you know, word assertive. Assertive means, you can say, someone who is confident. One who is confident, that person is assertive, right? Amenable means one who can easily be persuaded. One who can easily be persuaded, that person is what? Amenable. Amenable. So amenable will be the right opposite of dogmatic. Dogmatic, one who is rigid. One who is rigid, you can also say one who is rigid, right? One who is egoist, a belief that you are right and others are wrong, that person is dogmatic. So assertive is confident, you can say. Dogmatic, synonym of this, synonym of dogmatic is assertive. Amenable, one who can easily be persuaded, right? That person is amenable, so option B is the right answer. Bold and rigid, bold and rigid both are the synonym of dogmatic. We have to tell the opposite of dogmatic, so option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Let's move to the next one, and next one is Sachin is very fickle in his behavior. Word fickle. Fickle means what? Yes. Okay. Word fickle means one who is. Word fickle means one who is changeable. One who is changeable, right? Or you can say one who is capricious. Capricious, or you can say one who is ready to change. One who is ready to change, that person is fickle, right? I said one who is changeable, one who is changeable or capricious, ready to change, that person is fickle in his behavior, right? So you have to tell me the opposite of this word. Sachin is very fickle in his behavior. Word fickle means changeable, capricious, ready to change. And the opposite of this word is what? Opposite is what? So capricious is the synonym, right? And you can say stable is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. One who is ready to change, stable, right? Mercurial or vacillating, both are the synonym of word fickle. Mercurial and vacillating means one who are capricious or ready to change. So option A will be the right answer. Option A is the right answer. So these are total 10 words, right? So let's move to the next slide, or let's move to the grammatical section right now. And the grammatical part is what? Grammatical part, this one was the last. This one was the last sentence. Okay, some rest sentences, some other sentences if you talk about. Okay, if I say you have a sentence and the sentence is there is no space, or you can say place, on this seat to sit for anyone. Yes. Another sentence you have, there is no space, place on this seat to sit for anyone. So what could be the error part in the sentence? And how do you think, how can you improve this sentence and make it sure these are the sentences based on chapter noun. We were also discussing noun, no? So that's why after vocabulary part, after antonyms, now we shall discuss some of the rest sentences regarding noun. And the first sentence you have, there is no space, there is no place on this seat to sit for anyone. Okay, what could be the right answer? Let me explain. You have a noun. In this sentence you have a noun, and the noun is either you can say space or place. What is the meaning of space or place? Space or place, this is the area. Space or place is the area that is always covered. The area which is covered, or the area which is occupied, is called what? Space or place, right? We have another word also, and that word is what? Room. Room is the area which is uncovered. Room is the area which is uncovered, or you can say unoccupied. Unoccupied, right? Mean to say, you can say this is khali jagah. Room is, you can say, something that is uncovered or unoccupied, that is room. And when you talk about space or place, the area which is covered or which is occupied, that is space or place. So now let's apply it in the sentence. The writer is saying there is no space, place on the seat to sit for anyone. Make it short: to sit for anyone on any seat. We always need what? We always need uncovered or unoccupied place. I said to sit for anyone on any seat. We always need what? We need uncovered place or unoccupied place, right? So to show the sense of uncovered, we have to use a word room over there in place of space or place. In place of space or place, we have to use a word room. As we know, room means the area, something that is uncovered or unoccupied. So sentence will be, there is no room on this seat to sit for anyone. Now sentence will be okay. Yes, are you getting my point? Space or place means something that is the area that is uncovered or unoccupied. Okay, for example, if I say do you have any room? Do you have any room on your table? Do you have any room on your table for my computer? Do you have any room on your table for my computer? In this sentence, we know it very well. This word room, this word room denotes to what? The place, or you can say the area that is uncovered. Mean to say, the writer is saying, do you have any, you can say uncovered area, or you can say uncovered, unoccupied area on your table for my computer. So sentence, in the sentence, room will be there. There will be an error if you just write space or place in place of room. Space or place will make this sentence wrong. Okay, so just use a word room whenever you talk about uncovered or unoccupied area. Okay, let's move to the next sentence. And the next sentence is, we have a word, and the word is twins. We have a word is twins, or you can say triplet. Some of the superfluous regarding noun. This word twins denotes to two, and this word triplet denotes to three. So make it sure word two or three is always superfluous before twins or triplet. Before twins and triplet, word two or three will always be superfluous. This will be unnecessary, you can say. Same thing, you have a word, and the word is noun is cousin. And make it sure after cousin, if you use a word like brother or sister, this word brother or sister will always be superfluous. This word brother and sister will always be superfluous after a word cousin. This also matters, right? So let's move to the next word. Okay, now let's sum of the phrasal verb. And the phrasal verb is, how many phrasal verbs have we discussed? Phrasal verbs. In this slide, you don't have phrasal verbs. Okay, it's enough for today. We shall discuss parajumbles tomorrow. You have a class on parajumbles tomorrow. So be here at 5 p.m. It's enough from my side. So I just keep my finger crossed for you. And so meet you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye. Love you all. Thank you.